Let's begin with the big controversy that's playing out in the parliament with an SP Neta demanding the removal of Sengol from the parliament. He has gone on to say that this is a symbol of Raja Ka Danda, an SP Neta demanding the removal of Sengol from inside the parliament. Listen in to what he said.
हटा देना चाहिए, उसकी जगह संविधान की एक प्रति स्थापित की जानी चाहिए। इसके पीछे आपकी क्या जो है मंशा है, क्या पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है आपका?
देखिए, हम अम्बेडकरवादी हैं और बाबा साहब डॉक्टर अम्बेडकर ने संविधान लिखा है। जब से देश में संविधान लागू हुआ है तब से देश में लोकतंत्र है। लोकतंत्र का जो प्रतीक है वो संविधान है। लेकिन बीजेपी सरकार ने, खासतौर जो पिछली सरकार है, मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में उस संसद भवन में जहां स्पीकर बैठते हैं दाहिनी तरफ, सेंगोल स्थापित कर दिया है। सेंगोल तमिल भाषा का शब्द है, उसका हिंदी माने है राजदंड। राजदंड का और हिंदी माने है राजा की छड़ी। राजा की छड़ी और माने है राजा का डंडा। कभी राजा जब अपने दरबार में बैठता था तो फैसला करता था, एक डंडा पीटता था, छड़ी पीटता था। अब इस देश में 555 राजाओं को सरेंडर करके ये देश आजाद हुआ है और अब हर वो व्यक्ति, चाहे महिला हो चाहे पुरुष हो, अगर बालिग है और वोट का अधिकार रखता है तो उसके एक एक वोट से इस देश में शासन प्रशासन चलेगा, ये तय हो गया है। तो अब देश संविधान चलेगा, न कि राजा का डंडा चलेगा। इसलिए हमारी मांग है कि अगर लोकतंत्र बचाना है तो संसद भवन से।
My colleague Mohit Bhatt is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Mohit, the Sengol controversy had broken out. It's been settled with details also coming in how the spectre is a historical symbol of independence. It also signifies the transfer of power from the British to the Indians. But yet again, the controversy being revived with the SP leader now saying that it should be removed from the parliament.
But Pratibha, Sengol was installed in the new parliament in 2023, and at that particular time also, even the Prime Minister and all the BJP leaders stated that Sengol was a symbol of transfer of power from British India to the people who were there in India in 1947. So it's a symbol of power, but at that particular time it was sent at the museum in Allahabad by the Congress party. They did not pay any heed to the Sengol, but the due respect has been given by the BJP by putting it in the parliament. This is what the BJP has said at that particular time. Now this Sengol was gifted by Tamil Adhinams to the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, after India got independence and we got the right to govern our country, and Britishers in a transfer of power gave India all the rights. So clearly we see that now the SP leader has come out and he has basically questioned that why exactly Sengol has been put over there, why exactly and he has called it a symbol of monarchy, to which the BJP is hitting out. BJP national spokesperson Shahzad Poonawalla has stated what exactly DMK has to say on this particular statement of the SP leader, because the BJP says that Sengol is seen as a symbol of a Tamil pride. So what exactly DMK has to say on this particular issue? This is what the BJP says. So a massive controversy has been sparked off after this statement has come in from the Samajwadi Party member of parliament who calls Sengol a symbol of monarchy. But we know that how it's a symbol of transfer of power. And the BJP earlier also stated that the Congress party did not pay any heed to the condition of the Sengol. It was sent to the museum in Allahabad. It was the BJP government in 2023, the BJP says, that gave Sengol its rightful place and the respect that it deserves. And that is why that Sengol has been put just beside the speaker's chair inside the parliament. So a massive controversy. We have to wait and watch how exactly the reactions will pour in on this particular issue. And Pratibha, we also have to wait and watch what exactly DMK, who is a part of the India Alliance, what exactly they have to say on this particular issue and on the statement that has come in from the Samajwadi Party member of parliament. Back to you.
Absolutely. But Mohit, questions will also be raised on the timing of it because, you know, like you mentioned, the Sengol has already been placed in the parliament. Debate had been sparked off then as well. Yes, some of the opposition leaders did raise an objection to it. But now, why bring it up again? Stay with us. We have Anila Singh of the BJP joining us. Ms. Anila Singh, good morning. Controversy starting yet again over Sengol with an SP Neta saying, remove it from the parliament.
My Ram Ram to all, and the problem is whether we talk about Samajwadi Party or any of the other political party who doesn't have any faith, belief and trust in our Bharatiya culture, in Sanatan Dharma, they keep on giving such lame statements because he doesn't know what Sangol is for. That is why he is saying कि अगर इसको हटाएंगे तो ही जो है सच्चे मायने में यहाँ पे लोकतंत्र आएगा. ये मानसिकता जो है ये कहीं ना कहीं गुलामी की मानसिकता है. This is what he is saying. But the reality is whoever is sitting on the chair, the presiding chair, whether that person is Raja, Maharaja, or a chairman, or the president, or the speaker, whoever the person is, Sangol justifies whatever he does in a very fair manner. This is what Sangol is for. And he must know one thing, whether we talk about our Shankaracharyas or our Dharam Gurus, even they carry this type of Sangol type of thing just to show that yes, whatever we are going to do, whatever we are going to say, वो धर्म के अनुसार होगा. Dharam means the right thing to do. According to them, Dharam means religion. According to us, Dharam means the right thing to do, your duties. So a person who has to deliver his duties in a proper way, that person carries Sangol. So
Okay, all right. But Ms. Anila Singh, I want to ask you, on the issue of constitution, has the BJP been cornered by the opposition leaders? They had brought a copy of the constitution to the parliament on the first day as well. Now we have the SPMP as well saying that our constitution is a sacred text in the Indian democracy. Sangol is a symbol of monarchy. And since parliament is a temple of democracy and not the royal palace, it should be replaced with a copy of the constitution.
Sometimes I really pity the system where such people get elected and they become the part of policy making. So if they don't understand this thing, that what is the importance of Sangol, what is the importance of constitution, I think they need to get some classes on it. That you should understand what constitution is for. It is a book which tells us that how our country has to be governed. And Sangol is it shows that whatever the person sitting on the chair has to deliver his or her duty in a fair manner, in a legal manner. Dharam ke anusar, kartavya kariye aap. If they do not understand the difference in between the two, then what to say about them? But people of this nation should understand that if you keep on electing such people, you forget. ना भारत रहेगा, ना भारत की संस्कृति रहेगी, ना आपका धर्म रहेगा, कुछ भी नहीं रहने वाला है.
Okay, all right. Ms. Anila Singh, thank you for joining us with a BJP perspective on that. R.K. Chaudhary sparking a controversy yet again. Listen in to his demand.
मैंने एक लेटर दिया है जिसमें
Now, after the demand of the SP MP on Sangol, the BJP has hit out saying the SP Neta has insulted the values of Bharat. Listen in. All right, we'll go across to that reaction in just a moment. But the BJP has now hit out saying that the SP Neta has insulted our values, saying it should not be accepted. Remember, the SP MP has sparked off a controversy as he said that the Sangol should be replaced. In fact, the newly elected member of parliament from the Mohanlal Ganj constituency, R.K. Chaudhary, has written a letter to the Lok Sabha Speaker requesting him to replace the Sangol, which has been installed next to the Speaker's chair. Now the MP asking for it to be replaced with a large replica of the Indian Constitution. The BJP has now hit out. Listen in.
Samajwadi Party has opposed Sangol in Parliament. It says that it is Raja ka dand. If it was Raja ka dand, why did Jawaharlal Nehru ji accept the Sangol? This shows the mindset of Samajwadi Party. First, they attack and abuse Ramcharitmanas. Now Sengol, which is part of Indian culture and Tamil culture particularly. Does DMK support this kind of insult of Sengol? They must clarify. The question is that the mindset to reduce Sengol to a walking stick for many, many decades has once again come in the form of Samajwadi Party. They do not respect Indian culture, they do not respect Tamil culture, and therefore they are again insulting Sengol. The DMK must take a stand on this.
So the BJP is saying that this is an attack on India's culture, in particular an attack on Tamil Nadu culture. The controversy was sparked off after R.K. Chaudhary wrote a letter to the Lok Sabha Speaker requesting him to replace the Sengol with the Indian Constitution. I remember it was last year on the 28th of May during the inauguration of the new Parliament building that Prime Minister Modi had installed the Sengol or a scepter from Tamil Nadu, and it was placed right next to the Lok Sabha Speaker's seat. Now, the Sengol is back in controversy with the SP MP asking that it should be replaced. MP Chaudhary said that the Constitution is the sacred text of the Indian democracy, while Sengol is a symbol of monarchy. Let's go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt, who is on the broadcast with us. So, Mohit, the controversy being sparked off again, but the mention of Constitution, is that going to put BJP in a spot? Because remember, the opposition has been raising time and again the issue of the Constitution, and in fact, they also brought copies of the Constitution to the Parliament. So the opposition has been taking on the centre time and again by saying that the Constitution is not being respected. The SPMP also asked for Sengol to be removed from the Parliament, but he did ask for a copy of the Constitution to be placed there instead.
But Pratibha, it seems that it's a well thought of statement that has come in from the Samajwadi Party MP, Mr. Chaudhary. You see, the opposition has been trying to corner the government on the issue that how exactly the democracy is being trampled upon in past 10 years. This is an undeclared emergency. While the government has been saying this, that emergency was at a time when Indira Gandhi imposed in 1975, and these particular opposition leaders have no right to speak on how exactly the Constitution works, because during their government, the Constitution was trampled upon. Now, it seems that it's a very tactical step taken by the Samajwadi Party MP, who says that Sengol is a symbol of monarchy, and hence this particular symbol should be removed from the Parliament and it should be replaced with the copy of the Constitution. So it will be very interesting to see what BJP has to say on that particular issue.
Mohit, let's get a perspective from the Samajwadi Party. We have Mr. IP Singh also joining us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us. So IP Singh, is this the stand of the Samajwadi Party कि सेंगोल को रिप्लेस कर देना चाहिए पार्लियामेंट में?
कुछ भी उन्होंने अनुचित नहीं कहा है। श्री R.K. चौधरी अनेकों बार उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार में कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर रहे हैं, बहुत ही योग्य हैं और वो दलित समाज से हैं। उनकी बात बिल्कुल जायज है। देश सिंगोल से नहीं, देश बाबा साहब के संविधान से चलेगा। देश में किसी की अब मनमानी नहीं चलेगी। जिस तरह की मनमानी चलनी थी वो चल गई। जिस तरह से हमारे देश में दो मुख्यमंत्री, उप मुख्यमंत्री सलाखों के पीछे भेजे गए, आज भी उनका उत्पीड़न जारी है। ये उत्पीड़न जो हो रहा है, ये श्री नीतीश कुमार और चंद्रबाबू नायडू अगर सच में देखा जाए तो आज देश में खलनायक बनकर ये उभरे हैं। और अरविंद केजरीवाल की जो हालत है, हमें तो इस बात का डर सता रहा कि कहीं उनकी जेल के अंदर इस तरह से हत्या न करा दी जाए। इस तरह के हालात आज देश में बन गए हैं और देश संविधान से चलेगा। ईडी, सीबीआई, डीआरआई और ये जो देश की बड़ी बड़ी जांच एजेंसियां हैं, जिनका काम निष्पक्ष काम करना रहा, जिन संस्थाओं का काम निष्पक्ष था। अमेरिका इसलिए अमेरिका है कि उसकी संस्थाएं हैं। भारत की सभी संस्थाओं को मोदी और अमित शाह ने बौना बना दिया है। देश के हालात बहुत खराब हैं। आपातकाल से भी बदतर स्थिति हिंदुस्तान में है। 4 जून के बाद लगा था भारत को कि कुछ सवेरा होगा, लेकिन उस पर ग्रहण खलनायक।
लेकिन IP सिंह जी, आप बहुत बड़ी बात कर रहे हैं। ये केसेस कोर्ट में है। जो आपने कहा है, केजरीवाल जी को भी अभी हाल ही में दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट की तरफ से सेटबैक मिला है, उनका बेल रिजेक्ट हुआ है।
ये हाई कोर्ट, देखिए मैडम, आप लोग कभी कानूनी पचड़े में नहीं पड़े हैं। हाई कोर्ट हो, सुप्रीम कोर्ट हो, चाहे निचली 18,000 अदालतें हो, ये कैसे चलती हैं, ये हम राजनीतिक लोग हैं, हम जानते हैं। मेरे अपने जीवन के 35 साल राजनीति के हैं। मुझे जबरिया जेल में डाल दिया गया। जो मुकदमा 20 साल पहले बंद हो गया था उसे चालू किया गया। 22 दिन मुझे सलाखों के पीछे रखा गया, मुझे टॉर्चर किया गया। मेरे घर में एक परिवार में एसडीएम है, बच्चे थे, मेरी वाइफ थी, मेरी बेटी थी, मुझे टॉर्चर किया गया। मेरे घर को छावनी बना दिया गया, मेरे भाइयों के ऊपर टॉर्चर किया गया। आजमगढ़ में छावनी बना दिया गया, लखनऊ में बना दिया गया। ये सरकार का वो उत्पीड़न आप लोगों को पता नहीं है। ये देश को मैं ये बताना चाहता हूं टाइम्स नाउ के माध्यम से कि किस तरह का आपातकाल से देश गुजर रहा, किस तरह के आपातकाल से विपक्ष गुजर रहा है। लेकिन अब ये मनमानी 4 जून के बाद नहीं चलेगी।
लेकिन बात उन्होंने सेंगोल की है। उन्होंने ये कहा है कि ये राजा की छड़ी, वो वैसा कंपैरिजन किया है उन्होंने, लेकिन ये क्लैरिफिकेशन आ चुका है कि सेंगोल सिग्निफाइज द ट्रांसफर ऑफ पावर फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश टू इंडियंस।
के नेता हैं, वो दलित समाज के नेता हैं, माननीय सांसद है समाजवादी पार्टी के। पार्टी संविधान में विश्वास करती है, सिंगोल में विश्वास नहीं करती है। आप अयोध्या की दुर्दशा जाकर देखिए, हजारों घरों में पानी भरा हुआ है, वहां रामपथ टूट गया है, क्या परिस्थितियां हैं। गुजरात मॉडल का सत्यानाश हो गया है देश में।
Okay, all right. Mr. IP Singh ji, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. So the SP backing the demand of the MP, saying Sengol should be replaced in the parliament. There should be a copy of the constitution that should be placed because of the undeclared emergency across the country has been claimed by the SP. Listen into the demand that came in from the Samajwadi Party MP.
मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में उस संसद भवन में जहां स्पीकर बैठते हैं दाहिनी तरफ, सेंगोल स्थापित कर दिया है। सेंगोल तमिल भाषा का शब्द है, उसका हिंदी माने है राजदंड, राजदंड का और हिंदी माने है राजा की छड़ी, राजा की छड़ी और माने है राजा डंडा। कभी राजा जब अपने दरबार में बैठता था तो फैसला करता था, एक डंडा पीटता था, छड़ी पीटता था। तो अब देश संविधान चलेगा, न कि राजा का डंडा चलेगा। इसलिए हमारी मांग है कि अगर लोकतंत्र बचाना है तो संसद भवन से सेंगोल को हटाना है।
So the Samajwadi Party MP sparking the controversy yet again. Of course, this is likely to snowball into a bigger controversy. More reactions expected. We're keeping a track of that. Very quick break now. We'll be right back. To stay with us.